Hi, so how you can create video using your mobile smartphone, and you no need to install any app, just on your browser like Google Chrome you can do it. Okay, so you can edit it, whatever you want. So you can change the color also. Okay, from this color service over here. Okay, you select your own color, then you can increase or decrease the text sizes. You have this small and caps and small, you can align this, and also you have the spacing option over here. Okay, I'm just showing you, okay, all the options in this tutorial. You have the curved. Okay, if you want you can use this curved feature. Okay, so in this way you can use it, and you have this outline over here. Okay, shadow and then outline. So this is outline. If you change the color you will find that outline. Okay, so in this way, and also you have this solid color. You can further customize it. Okay, I don't want outline, then shadow option. If you want you can use the shadow. Okay, so this way you can further customize it. Okay, so now you have this video. Okay, if you want you can upload your own video. For that you have to be logged in. Okay, make sure you logged in. So now from here you can change the template. So you have lots of templates, lots of their library is huge library. So basically if you see lots of templates to choose from, you can always click on load more. Okay, and from this category you can click on this load more categories. So whatever your business falls into you can select. For example, cleaning business. Okay, you want this video banner from cleaning. Okay, so you can select any of this video banner. Okay, then you can start customizing it further. Okay, for example, health. So you select health, you will get lots of video banner related to health. Okay, and then you can further edit it. So once it is ready, you will have the options of save project and download. Okay, so you can download it, and you also have the options called this one. Once you will select this option, any element, for example this text element I have selected, so I have the reset option, then redo, undo, delete. Okay, and this blur, then font bag and copy elements. Okay, all these sections. Now what will happen, for example this is a plus. Okay, this is a plus. Okay, so I have the plus icon over here. You can see if I click on this icon, so I will get completely new element. Okay, to add text element I can whatever I want I can write over here. Okay, so visit us, and then you can simply decrease the size. Okay, for example this is 90, I want 19. Okay, so this will be in this way. You can just simply, once it is ready you can drag and drop, you can position it. Okay, so you can play the video anytime you want. For example this is the banner, you select this banner and you will find this play button over here. Okay, so you can play the video again. Okay, so you can see this is how it plays and the video looks. Okay, very professional video for any profession. Okay, so you be with me, and using mobile browser, you no need of any desktop or PC, anytime you can create. So for example I want to add animation over here. Okay, so I have this animation option over here. You can see this animation option. Okay, this one. So once you will click on this, you have this on exit or both. Okay, you select both and you add animation. Okay, this shake, and then you have change option over here. You can add slide. Okay, then you have the scale. So you have animation change option over here. Okay, so now you can play again. So you can see with animation it has start playing. Okay, so now I want to delete this. I will click on this, so then visit as element deleted. Okay, you can add your own website. For example this one, no, I want to undo this. Okay, so this one I have the website, so I just need my website. Okay, like that I have added, and this is actually the font. You can change the font also. From here you will have lots of font to select and use. Okay, based on your requirement you can use custom font as well. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. A few more things actually on this down at this down over here you will have some options. Okay, one by one. First of all, template I have shown you. Anytime you can change the templates. Then text. Okay, so you will have this background option over here. If you want, you can change the background color also. So for example, this is the background and I want a different background. Okay, so just for example I am showing you. Okay, you can select any background you want. So white is the best one here. Okay, you can update. Then you have logo. You can upload your own logo, or else you can this one you can delete the logo. Then you have the shape. Okay, so this is the shape over here, and you can change the particular shape color as well. Okay, so in this way you can change the shape color. Okay, next you have these images. You can use any of these images. Okay, mentioned over here. For example, food. You have food, you will get lots of food images over here. Okay, if you want you can use any of these images. Okay, so I want to delete that. Now you have you can upload your own images. Next, QR code. This is very important for right. So now if you simply scroll you will find the generate QR option over here. Okay, so now you can generate the QR. You can see the option has been enabled successfully. Okay, so once you will click generate QR, you have the QR code. You can use it. Okay, on your this video banner. Okay, you position it and then you are ready to go. So here also you can once you are logged in you will find lots of videos to use. You can replace this video. Okay, if you want you can change this video over here. Okay, now this much for today. I hope I was able to clear, and if you have any questions you please ask me, and this tool link will be there in the description. You can check it out. Okay, and make sure to watch our earlier videos. Lots of we have published on web design, graphics, Photoshop, Canva. Okay, so till then take care. Bye.